Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 14, leçon R. And in this lesson, we'll work on les conjugaisons irrégulières and we'll see especially, the verbs like appeler, s'appeler, rappeler, se rappeler, and then interpeller. All these verbs, okay, so ending with E, L, E, R, but then the verbs that will be part of the appeler family verbs. Okay, so we'll see that I took this example, so appeler, okay, and then we'll see that the following tenses will be concerned by these changes. So we're talking about indicatif présent, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent. It does mean that for all the other tenses, actually, appeler will follow the rule of the construction of conjugation of the verbs from the first group, so ending with er, okay, but then for these tenses it will be a bit different, okay, and that's exactly what we'll see in this video. And we'll start, of course, with the present form. So it will go like j'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent. Okay, so if you look carefully, you can see that the je, tu, il, and then the il and the plural forms are concerned, because you can see that we will double the L. Okay, you will have to put another one. Okay, and then it's quite interesting because, as we saw in the previous video, if you have double L like that, it will affect the pronunciation of the E. So actually it will open the sound, and that's the reason why you will get the sound E, okay? J'appelle, j'appelle, all right? So j'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, and now for nous and vous, actually they follow the rule, but then you keep only one L, so that's the reason why you will get the sound appelons, okay? This E is mute or silent, appelons, and then vous appelez. Okay, and back to this open E, okay, so double L, so appelle. Alright, so j'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent. Okay, so keep in mind that je, tu, il, and then ils are concerned, and that you've got to double the L. Let's see now for le futur simple. J'appellerai, tu appelleras, il appellera, nous appellerons, vous appellerez, ils appelleront. So in that case, for the futur simple, all the forms are concerned, and it's exactly the same modification that we saw previously. So you've got to double the L, okay? And it will affect all the forms. So remember, you double the L, so it does open the sound of this E, and you get E, okay? J'appellerai, tu appelleras, il appellera, nous appellerons, vous appellerez, ils appelleront. Okay? Let's see now le conditionnel présent. And it will be exactly the same thing, sorry. J'appellerai, tu appellerais, il appellerait, nous appellerions, vous appelleriez, ils appelleraient. Okay? So same thing, you've got to double the L, and it does concern all the forms, if you can look carefully. So j'appellerai, tu appellerais, il appellerait, nous appellerions, vous appelleriez, ils appelleraient. Okay? And last but not least, le subjonctif présent, que j'appelle, que tu appelles, qu'il appelle, que nous appelions, que vous appeliez, qu'ils appellent. Okay? And here you can see that je, tu, il, and il at the plural form are concerned by that. So same thing, you double the L, and then you open the sound of this here. J'appelle, que tu appelles, qu'il appelle, and then here you just keep the form and you just keep the normal ending, que nous appelions, que vous appeliez, qu'ils appellent. Okay, so remember that for all the verbs that belong to this family of verb appeler, okay, appeler, s'appeler, rappeler, se rappeler, interpeller as well, okay, so they will follow the rule, of course, for the endings, but then they will have some modifications, and as we saw, it will concern l'indicatif présent, le futur simple, le conditionnel présent, and then le subjonctif présent. Okay? So if you want to have more videos, then youtube.com/imagier is the channel and it's waiting for you. You can like me on Facebook and it's right here. And then you can find more material www.imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.